Welcome to the video, guys. As you know, artificial intelligence, AI, technology has revolutionized the way we do things in different areas. From business, healthcare, education, and entertainment, to the arts, among others. Over the years, AI tools have become more sophisticated, efficient, and accessible, allowing users to automate repetitive tasks, generate new insights, and enhance productivity. In this video, we will explore 5 new AI tools that are designed to blow your mind, from a Chrome extension called Compose AI to Browse AI. If you are new to the channel, then must subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates on a regular basis. Let's get started. Compose AI. Our first tool, Compose AI, is a Chrome extension that uses machine learning to help users write better emails. This AI tool analyzes the content of your email and suggests improvements in real time, such as better word choices, sentence structure, and tone. Compose AI is like having a personal writing assistant that helps you communicate your ideas more effectively. With Compose AI, you can avoid common writing mistakes, improve the clarity of your message, and save time on proofreading. The beauty of Compose AI is that it adapts to your writing style and preferences over time. The more you use it, the better it becomes at predicting your writing patterns and offering more accurate suggestions. Compose AI can also integrate with popular email clients, such as Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail, making it easy to use. Runway AI. Runway AI is a revolutionary platform that allows artists and designers to create stunning visual content using AI models. With Runway AI, users can experiment with different AI models and algorithms to generate unique designs, animations, and graphics. This AI tool has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for non-technical users to access powerful AI models without writing a single line of code. Runway AI offers a range of features, such as style transfer, object detection, pose estimation, and natural language processing. Users can create custom models or use pre-trained models to create stunning visual content. Runway AI is perfect for graphic designers, animators, game developers, and anyone who wants to push the boundaries of creativity with AI. Rewind AI. The Rewind AI is an AI tool that uses deep learning to restore old photos and videos. With Rewind AI, users can enhance the quality of old and damaged media files, bringing them back to life. This AI tool can automatically remove scratches, dust, and noise from photos and videos, improving their visual quality. Rewind AI uses state-of-the-art algorithms to fill in missing pixels, smooth out edges, and enhance color accuracy. The result is a restored media file that looks like it was captured yesterday. Rewind AI is perfect for archivists, historians, and anyone who wants to preserve old memories in high quality. Beta Tome app. This amazing app is an AI-powered productivity tool that helps users stay focused and productive. This app uses AI algorithms to track user activity and suggest improvements in real time. Beta Tome app can track how much time you spend on different tasks, analyze your work patterns, and provide insights into how you can improve your productivity. Beta Tome app can also help you set goals, prioritize tasks, and manage your time more effectively. The app sends you regular reminders to take breaks, stay hydrated, and exercise, ensuring that you stay healthy and productive throughout the day. Beta Tome app is perfect for students, freelancers, and anyone who wants to improve their productivity and work smarter, not harder. Browse AI. It is an AI tool that uses natural language processing to improve web browsing. This tool can analyze the content of a web page and extract key information, such as keywords, topics, and sentiment. Browse AI can also summarize articles, highlight important passages, and suggest related content. Browse AI is like having a personal research assistant that helps you find the information you need quickly and efficiently. This AI tool can also filter out irrelevant or misleading information, ensuring that you get accurate and reliable results. Browse AI is perfect for researchers, journalists, students, and anyone who needs to find information quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, AI technology has come a long way, and these 5 new AI tools represent some of the latest and most innovative applications of AI. From Compose AI, which helps you write better emails, to Runway AI, which empowers artists and designers to create stunning visual content. Rewind AI, which restores old photos and videos. Beta Tome app, which improves productivity. And Browse AI, which improves web browsing. These AI tools demonstrate how AI can enhance our lives, work, and creativity, making it easier and more efficient to accomplish our goals. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more amazing tools and applications that will blow our minds. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.